Hi friends, this is Manish Khanna. Today I'm going to be showing you a super easy recipe which even small children in your house can make, and it is super delicious. It's the eggless chocolate hazelnut and Nutella travel cake. So let's get started. For this Oreo hazelnut travel cake, we will be using Oreos, baking powder, milk, chopped hazelnuts. We will be using the Nutella paste for the filling, and for the ganache we'll be using dark chocolate. And the first we will take these Oreos, and these Oreos are whole with the filling. They are whole with the filling inside. I will put this in a food processor and just powder these out. As you can see, the Oreo cookies, it's into a fine powder. Next what I will do is I will take the hazelnuts, put it in this. I will take the baking powder, put it into this, and just mix it properly. Once I have mixed this properly, I will take the milk. Do not put the whole milk at one shot. Put about 3/4, and then depending on the consistency you can add a little more if required. So once I put the milk, I'm just mixing it around so that I get a nice smooth cake batter. As you can see, I have got a nice smooth batter. I did not use the extra milk. The extra milk is still here, but you should have a nice batter. And once this is done, we will take a travel cake tin. This is a tin with a rod inside. In case if you don't want to make a travel cake and you want to just make in a regular round or a square also, you can do that too, and it will not be an issue. We will put this batter into this cake tin. I have put the batter inside, and this is ready to go into a preheated oven at 180 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes. While the cake is baking, we will prepare the ganache and keep it in the fridge so that it is set by the time we are ready to ice it. So first I will take the cream. I have used dairy cream, which is an Amul cream, and I will heat this up and then put it into the chocolate and mix it. The cream is heated, and I will put this in the chocolate and just move it around with the spatula so that the chocolate starts melting. The dark chocolate that I have taken, I have just chopped it into smaller pieces so that it melts faster. The chocolate has fully melted, and now the ganache is the ganache is ready. We just need to keep it in the fridge for an hour to an hour and a half till it is set. Then it is ready to use. This Oreo cake has baked. What we'll do is we'll just twist the pipe and pull this out. Now we will unmold the cake. As you can see, the bar cake has come out, and it has the hole in the center. Now in that hole we will fill the Nutella. I have put the Nutella in a piping bag, and from both the sides so that it is through and through. Once we have filled this, we will move on to the next step of icing the cake. I have kept the cake on a cake board, and now using the ganache that we had made earlier, you can ice it the way you want, but I'm just putting the ganache lines on the side, and we will pipe some shells on top. I'm going to be doing this for the entire cake. Once I have done the sides, I will start the top, and we will just pipe. You can either do just drops or you can do shells. I will take a little bit of the cut hazelnut pieces and just put them on top to decorate. If you want, you can just leave it like this, or I am using a few discs of chocolate, basically some chocolate garnishing, and I am decorating the cake on top. So as you can see, our hazelnut travel cake is ready. Just slice a piece of the cake to show you how it looks inside. The cake is super moist and it's super soft. You can see how the crumb of the cake is. It is beautifully soft and tender.
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल को और प्रेस कीजिए बेल आइकन ताकि हम लाते रहें आपके लिए सिंपल बेकिंग रेसिपीज।